All right, here's the deal. You're building a home gym, you want a solid barbell set without draining your wallet, and you've got your eye on the Marcy Olympic Barbell Set. The company says it's the perfect weight set for classic lifting to improve strength and conditioning. But after going hands-on, I found a few things they don't show you in the ad. So stick around, because by the end, I'll tell you, is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Marcy Olympic Barbell Set product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Marcy Olympic Barbell Set comes from Marcy, a brand known for consumer fitness gear. One of the more common bundles is the 110-pound Olympic weight set, model MCW 110, which includes a 3-piece, 86-inch Olympic bar, 30 pounds, a collection of plates, two 25-pound grip plates, two 10 pounds, two 5 pounds, and clip collars. It's aimed at folks setting up a home gym for general strength training and conditioning, especially if you're just getting going or have limited space. The key selling point: everything you need in one box. Use it for squats, presses, pulls, without needing a ton of gear. Marcy Olympic Barbell Set Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in day-to-day use? I spent a week using this set as my go-to for squats, deadlifts, presses, and a few accessory movements. For someone in the 20 to 45 years range building a home setup, it works. The plates click on and off easily, the bar feels decent for basic lifts, and if you're loading up to, say, the 100 to 150 pound range, plates plus bar, it handles fine. But, and this is a real but, there are some compromises. For example, reviewers on retail sites mention the bar has some finish issues, holes not aligning perfectly on the 3-piece design, and overall construction that feels more budget than premium. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features and what they really mean for you. 3-piece, 86-inch Olympic bar, 30 pounds. Unlike full 20-kilogram, 45-pound bars, this bar is lighter and separated into pieces for shipping convenience. The benefit? You get an Olympic-style bar in a compact box. The cost? Might feel less rigid and possibly less smooth than a one-piece full standard bar. Maximum weight capacity on the bar is 300 pounds. Marcy lists a limit of approximately 300 pounds. That sets expectations. You won't be loading 500-plus pounds on this for the long term without risk. Free shipping and 2-year limited warranty on that model. One nice value aspect for home gym buyers. So real-life benefit: if you're starting or have moderate strength goals, this set gives you everything to get rolling quickly. If you're more advanced, it may be starter gear rather than the last gear you'll ever buy. Design and build. Aesthetically, Marcy leaned budget-friendly. The bar and plates are functional, metal appears decent, but finish details show. Some buyers reported chips, rust, misaligned bar piece holes, and scratched paint right out of the box. The 3-piece bar means assembly, which adds a small hassle, versus single-piece bars you typically see in premium home gyms. On the positive side, for the money, you're getting a full kit with plates and collars, so design fits a small garage or home setup well. If you're inspecting it up close, expect louder collars, simpler finish, less bling than high-end gear, but perfectly functional. Pros. Great value bundle. Bar plus plates plus collars equals one box setup for beginners. Convenient for home gyms, apartment floors, compact space. Functional performance for moderate lifts, no crazy frills, but acceptable. Shipping included, plus decent warranty for the money. Cons. Bar is only about 30 pounds, 3-piece design, less stiff, less premium feel. Numerous user complaints about finish quality, fit and finish bugs out of the box. 300-pound max load limit means limited growth if you're aiming for heavy strength training. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a beginner or intermediate home lifter setting up a home gym in a spare room, you don't want to spend $1,000 plus just to start, the Marcy Olympic Barbell Set gives you a functional, ready-to-go kit that gets you lifting yesterday. It's a smart choice if you're new to strength training, want to lift at home without a big budget, plan to stay in the moderate weight range, say up to 200, 250 pounds. However, If you're a more advanced lifter, plan to load heavy, perform snatches, cleans, or want a long-term gear investment, then you'll likely outgrow this set.